If your pen drive is corrupted and is not visible in your files, either Windows 11 or any other Linux or operating system, open Chrome and search for Chromebook Recovery Utility. In that, select Add to Chrome, add extension, and open the extension. Then click on Setting Gear, erase recovery media, select the drive which you have inserted and click on Continue. It will erase all the data which is available in the USB. And click on Done. Now it may not be visible to you, so just eject the pen drive or remove the pen drive from the laptop and reinsert it. You may see a notification regarding the format this device after it manually. Rename it as per your needs. That's it. Thank you for watching.